In today's video, we will see 5 useful cooking tips, knowing which can help us improve our cooking skills. Hi, this is Ambika Shetty, and I welcome you to this episode of 5 useful cooking tips and tricks. It's a common practice to add rice flour or cooking soda to make the pakodas crispy. But this time onwards, try adding little corn flour to the batter. The combination of rice flour and corn flour gives you that thin, light and really crispy coating on the pakodas. In this batter, I have added corn flour and see, this is the pakoda that I have made. The outside layer is very crispy and it's mainly because of the combination of rice flour and corn flour. Always while you boil potatoes, try adding about half teaspoon of salt to the water. This will not just help us easily remove the skin of the boiled potato, but also it enhances the flavor of the potato. Salting the water in which we cook starches like potato is an effective way to enhance the flavor of the product. In this case, it is boiled potato. Whenever you use mustard oil for sauteing vegetables or for any other curry or dish, make sure it is heated up to the smoking point. You should start seeing that white smoke emerging from the oil, only then you should add other ingredients. The reason is very simple. Mustard oil has a very high heating point and the oil will actually remain stable and healthy even as the temperature rises. And now I have got a recipe for you, a very quick recipe. We all know that we don't need potato skin for all the recipes that we prepare using potatoes. So sometimes we just remove the skin and then we use the potatoes. So in such cases, don't throw away the potato skin. Instead, you can make a very quick and instant potato skin chips. Yes, you heard it right. Just wash the potatoes well, wipe it dry, remove the skin and deep fry it in oil until the potato skin becomes very crisp and lightly brown in color like this. And you need to deep fry it in medium flame. And then while it is still hot, sprinkle a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper powder and a pinch of chaat masala. You can also add any other spice mixes of your choice. And there you go, ready with instant potato skin chips. No matter how much health conscious we are, we tend to lose track sometimes and we feel like eating all the junk foods or maybe the pakoras and deep fried items. So let us consider pakodas as an example. Here I am going to make a crispy roasted raw banana pakoda. But instead of just deep frying them in hot oil, we can always prefer to use appam pan or paddu pan. Just add a little bit of oil in all the cavities that we see in appam pan and make small paddus instead of pakodas. Whether we call it as paddu, appe or pakoda, believe me, the taste remains same. So for all those who want to use less oil or want to see less oil in their pakoras, this is the best option. So friends, these were the 5 useful tips that I wanted to share. Some of you might be already knowing these tips or some of you might not be knowing. I hope you have liked all these informations shared in this today's video, and I'll be back with yet another interesting episode of cooking tips and tricks. Until then, you take care. Have a nice time. Bye.